Here's a demonstration of a system that we've done where we've got a little bit more complexity in the options that we've developed. So right now I'm in an individual revocable living trust. I've gone through, I've used an answer file that I've created already. We've got our client name, our spouse, any family members that we're going to want to include and name in the document, references if we have afterborn children. So then we get to initial options where we're going through and naming the trust. If we're going to use reciprocating information for the spouse, we just click this button right here, and then it's going to do all of our swapping for us automatically, giving us the different names if we're doing reinstatement and things. Uh, then this one uses specific bequests if you've got any. The power here is when we get into residuary. So say you wanted to do a trust for the problem children, or if you got an incentive trust, or if we actually were going to do some tax planning up here, if I just say tax planning, then we there's some new options open up, and really we just tailor this to the types of plans that you're doing, and then we can also use uh, the bill to go through and use scenarios so that you can actually also have default set is an option as well, just depending on how in depth you want us to go. And then, so say we're going to do a outright marital gift. I just check this box. Or say if I'm doing state or federal tax, mandatory, and it really just depends on the documents that you have in your firm, how how we're going to do this. And then we can select which other, if we want trust for children, we can say that mandatory. And you may not need this many options in yours. We'll tailor it to your firm's needs. Then we just get age requirements if we're going to include overall appointment of trustees. This is one where you're getting into some more complexity. So if we're going to do co-trustees as original trustees, we're going to do that. And then we got appointment of successor trustees. So if we've got individual successor, individual successor co-trustees, co-trustees sole successor, co-trustees one successor co-trustee. So you've got a number of different ways that we can handle successor trustees. And really, we're going after the 80-20 rule here. So if you in your firm are really only ever using individuals and individual successor, then really we're going to just program for those and one off the other ones. But it really just depends on your firm, what you need. And you just do successor trustees. You can do the select button, select who's going to be it. And we've got that. And then appointment on death, are they the same? We can say yes. And I'm just going to do individual successors. We'll do Peter Brady this time. And nomination, how we're going to have that. Any powers we're going to give. Really, we're just walking through the options. And then who we're going to create the document for. In this case, we can do Carol or Mike or both. We can go through and send them both out to Word. And all you do then is click your finish button and it sends out the document. So this one is a little bit different than the other video where we actually will generate multiple at once. We'll also do a hybrid between the two. This is a little bit more of a legacy system, but it has more complexity. So I wanted to show you some more complexities in what we've done. Thanks.